In this video, we will see what is the difference between Assert AreEqual and Assert AreSame. Already we have given example of those two. Now we will see what is the difference. Now let's try to create some object here, and I'm creating similar kind of object what we have created in other example. So object A is 10, then again I'm creating object B and I'm assigning that to 10. Now if you see, those are two different objects and but it is storing same number. So here if you use assert.AreEqual, then it will pass the test, because assert AreEqual, it will only check whether values are equal or not. So if you see both A and B, it is holding the value 10 here. That means if you do the comparison or if you put a assert on AreEqual method, then it will pass. But with this, if you change to Assert AreSame and if you run it, it will fail, because Assert AreSame, in this it will check two conditions. It will check whether value are same or not, but it will, along with that, it will check whether those two objects are pointing to the same reference or not. Now A is storing in a separate reference. Now this is a separate object and B is a separate object, although it is holding similar value, same value, but the reference is different here. Due to that reason, Assert AreEqual is failed. Here the execution got failed. So that the difference between Assert AreEqual and Assert AreSame is, it is, if it is object is point to same reference, then it will pass. If the object is point to different reference but it is holding the same value, still it will fail the test case. So now if I will do this as a B, as the object B is A, that means I am initializing this B with the object A. Now those two, object A and object B, basically point into the same reference. Now if you use Assert AreSame, now this test will pass, because both A and B point to same memory reference of this object. So, and what is the use case when you use this Assert AreSame? Generally when in the unit test, when you have a different classes and you create an object of it, when you pass those objects to the different classes, then probably you need to check whether those objects are pointing to the same reference or not. So whenever you have such condition, then probably you can go ahead and use Assert AreSame. So many unit tests, you will find that Assert AreSame is very useful, because it is not only check the value type, it will check both value and it is check the memory reference as well, whether it is pointing to the same object or not. If you have such requirement, you can go ahead with Assert AreSame. But if your requirement is only to check the value, then you can go with Assert AreEqual. Thank you.